So today we will talk about the partition and unification of Germany. Means how was Germany divided and how it became one together as a nation again. Germany was the main cause behind the world wars. It faced humiliation after the defeat in the World War II. So Germany was the main reason why First and Second World War happened. Okay, and after the Second World War, Germany was very guilty. It was very humiliated. Humiliated meaning it was feeling very bad. Okay, that because of them the war had to happen. All its state administration and economy completely collapsed. There was no single large party left in the whole Germany that could rule the nation. So after the World War II got over, the administration, the economy, all these things, okay, it collapsed completely. Collapsed meaning it destroyed completely, and there was not even one single party or one single government that could rule the nation. In addition, there was a fear that Germany would pose threat to the world once again, and there was also a fear, the other countries were scared that Germany will become powerful again and Germany will again try to have a world war. Okay, so all the nations were scared about that also. If it emerged as a military power again, so they were scared that what if they become strong again in the terms of military, in terms of weapon. Okay, so it was very, very important to keep a check on Germany after World War II. Therefore, the defeated Germany was divided into 4 administrative segments. Okay, so after the war got over, Germany was divided into 4 administrative sections. Administrative meaning ruling. Okay, so it was divided among 4 ruling government. It was divided among 4 parts in which different countries would rule over Germany. The Soviet Red Army in the later phase of the war had captured eastern part of the Germany. Therefore, it accepted that eastern Germany would remain in their control. So Russia, okay, that is the Soviet Red Army, which was the army of Russia, had captured the east side of Germany. So it was decided that the east side of Germany would be ruled over by the Russians or the Soviets. France would control its area near France, while Britain would control over Germany bordering Belgium and Holland. So it was decided that France would take control of that part of Germany which was closer to France. Okay, and Germany and Britain would take over that part of Germany which was closer to Belgium and Holland. So I'll repeat this part again. After the World War II got over, there was a fear that Germany will become powerful again and Germany will become strong in terms of military, in terms of war. So it is better to keep a check on Germany. And it was decided that let us divide Germany into 4 parts, and these 4 parts would be the ruling parts of the Germany. Now obviously Russia had captured the east side of Germany. Okay, that is the Soviet Red Army had captured the east side of Germany. So it was decided that that part, that is the eastern part of Germany, would be ruled over by the Russians or the Soviets. France decided that it would rule that part of Germany which was closer to France, while Britain controlled that region of Germany which was closer to Belgium and Holland. Belgium and Holland are in Britain. So it was decided that they would rule that part of Germany which is closer to Belgium and Holland. America, France, Britain started thinking about certain alternative arrangements. So America and France, they started thinking about making an arrangement about how to rule Germany. Meanwhile, an atmosphere of distrust and doubt had started between 2 power blocks. By this time already the 2 superpowers, that is America and Russia, they did not trust each other. That kind of atmosphere was already created. America and other Western European countries established FRG, that is Federal Republic of Germany. This was administered jointly by America, Britain and France. On the other side, the Soviet Union also declared East Germany as Democratic Republic of East Germany. Thus, after the war, 2 independent German states came into existence, namely West Germany, that was democratic, and East Germany, that was communist. Now what happened is that after Germany was divided into 4 parts, right? One was ruled over by France, one was ruled over by America, one was ruled over by Britain, and one was ruled over by America, okay? And the other part, the east part, was ruled over by Russia. Now it was decided that the European powers, that is Britain, France and America, decided that we will come together, okay, and we will join our 3 parts and make it into one part, okay, and let Russia rule on its own. આપણે ત્રણેય લોકો એક સાથ મળીને આપણી એક ગવર્મેન્ટ બનાવશું, આપણી એક પોલિસી બનાવશું, આપણી એક સ્ટ્રેટેજી બનાવશું કે આપણે આ સાઈડ, આપણી સાઈડની જર્મનીને કેવી રીતના ડેવલપ કરવી. So they all became united, that is America, France and Britain, they all got united, and that part of Germany, that was the west part of Germany, was called as Federal Republic of Germany, while the east part, which was ruled over by Russia, was called as the Democratic Republic of East Germany. Now after the war, obviously Germany got divided into West and East Germany. The West Germany was more democratic or more capitalistic, while the East Germany was the communist. As Germany's 3 western segments were united, 3 administrative segments of Berlin also united. Now there was a city in Germany which was called as Berlin. Now this Berlin also got divided, okay, into 4 parts, okay, that is the 3 ruled by America, Britain and France, and the other one was the Russia's part. Now even the Berlin got united, like East Berlin and West Berlin, okay. The West Berlin had America, France and Britain together, and the East Berlin had Russia together, okay. So the city of Berlin was also divided, but later on the 3 parts got united. In the reaction to this, Soviet Union in April 1948 declared a Berlin blockade. This resulted into tremendous tension between Soviet Union and the Western countries. Later, a high 42-kilometer long wall separating between Western and Eastern Berlin was constructed. The communist government tried to prevent thousands of East German citizens from jumping and entering the free atmosphere of Western Germany. Now what happened was they started seeing the East Germany, okay, and the East Berlin. They started seeing that the west side of the Germany, or the west side of the Berlin city, was very developed. It was developing very fast. People were living a very, very nice life. So what happened was, people from east side of Germany started going to the west side of Germany. People from east side of Berlin started going to the west side of Berlin, because obviously the West Berlin and the West Germany was very, very developed, very successful. People were living a very, very healthy life, while in East Germany and East Berlin, people were very poor, okay. They had no food to eat, they had no proper thing to do, and obviously people will go towards that part of the place which is more developed, right? So people were starting to move. Now obviously because of all these things, Russia got very irritated, Soviet Union got very irritated. So what did they do is, they created a blockade એટલે stop. They stopped all trade from happening between East Berlin and West Berlin, and they created a big wall, okay, in Berlin. एक city ની અંદર મોટી wall બનાવી that would tell them that this is East Germany, this is West Germany. People from East Germany were not allowed to go to West Germany. People from East Berlin were not allowed to go to West Berlin, okay. And this wall was made in Berlin. A big, imagine ભાવનગરની અંદર અગર એક મોટી વોલ બનાવી દઈએ આપણે કે ભાવનગરના આ પાર્ટમાં ન જઈ શકે ને ઓલો પાર્ટ આ પાર્ટમાં ન આવી જાય, તો it would look so bad, right? So imagine एक સિટીની અંદર there was a big wall, okay, that would stop people from moving from East Berlin to West Berlin. Many people lost their lives in doing so. So many people, while they were crossing the wall, while they were moving on the other side of the wall, they lost their life while jumping the walls. After about 4 to 4.5 decades, that is 10 decades is 10 years, after almost 40 years, West Germany made an astonishing development. Experts considered this German miracle. There was no remark able to change the economic condition of East Germany. The East German communist government crushed the hopes of the people for political freedom and rapid economic development. So after 40 years of Germany getting divided, there was a thing called German miracle that happened, okay, in which the west side of Germany, which was there, okay, which was controlled over by America, Britain and France, was very, very developed, okay. Economic condition was good, people had jobs, people had money, people had food to eat. So within 40 years after the war, America, Britain and France were able to do such big development, while in east side of Germany, which was ruled over by Russia, there was no economic development, there was no political development, there was no proper government, people were poor, okay. Till 1919, many important and far-fetching changes took place in the international politics. Owing to the reason of Cold War among superpower also ended. These years witnessed crack in otherwise impregnable Soviet Union. Ultimately, Soviet Union was disintegrated as a consequences. On October 3rd, 1919, both Germany got united. People broke the German Wall as a symbol of German division. People considered the demolition of Berlin Wall as the end of the Cold War and celebrated the occasion wholeheartedly. Today, unified Germany has turned out to be the strongest economic power in Europe. After 1919, they have made tremendous effort to the strongest economic nation till last decade. Today it has become one of the most important and leading nations of the European Union. So now what has happened that after 1919, soon because of the political changes that were happening in Russia, the Soviet Union, okay, which had many countries inside, it got disintegrated. Disintegrated meaning it got destroyed, it got deleted, and now there was no country like Soviet Union. There is Russia, but there is no Soviet Union, okay. And after the Soviet Union got demolished, after Soviet Union got disintegrated, people in Germany broke the German Wall that divided East Germany and West Germany, and people in Berlin destroyed the Berlin Wall, which divided the East Berlin and West Berlin. People finally got united, and now we have one single Germany, we have one single Berlin, and now there has been lots of development in Germany. Germany is one of the leading nations of the world, okay, and even in Europe it is very well known that Germany has done great level of progress in terms of economic development. Lot of your cars which are there, your Mercedes and all these cars, they actually come from Germany. They are German cars, okay. So economic development in Germany is very, very good.